Hello.
وإن
Hello. Assalamu
Hi.
alaikum.
عليكم السلام أهلا
عليكم
وسهلا.
السلام.
Okay, so I hope you are well, and after a long time we will meet. So, okay.
Yeah, thank you. I'm very well, thank you. How
Uh,
are you? How is the electricity now?
yeah. So, Alhamdulillah, everything is good, and everything is okay for this time.
ما شاء الله ما شاء الله.
شلون اسوي شير للشاشة؟ من هنا؟
يس شاشتك بكاملها.
ايوه.
يلا.
طيب قل له مشاركة يشوفنا هو الحين.
Okay. So, what is the topic
Did you,
for the today's?
did you see the? Are you seeing my screen now or not yet?
Not yet. It's not sharing.
Just wait, please. I
Okay.
will know.
ضغط هنا. ايوه مشاركة. نعم ارسله.
What about now?
Yeah. So now it's visible. Yeah, I can see your screen. Yeah.
Perfect.
قل له اني اشتغلت على الكود هذا.
Yeah, I work in this code.
قل انه المفروض هذا انه للرول رو.
Yeah, this is for raw, right? But
Yeah, it's the raw satellite image, top of atmospheric landscape.
انها تطلع لي
but it's appearing here as
اللي هي طول العمر بوليجون ما هي راستر.
yeah, it's come like polygon, not raster.
It's raster. We can get the here the data for raster.
Yeah, I will show it to you now.
Yeah.
See, please.
نزلها اول هي. قل له هذا اللي طلعت لي.
So this is our area.
Yeah, as you see now.
ايوه هذا هي كل هذا اللي طلعت لي.
Yeah, this is what I get.
بالمية راستر طلع
It's
لي.
not raster.
Okay, so you can simply go to this code again. I check. Go to this code. Google Earth Engine code editor. Yeah. In this code editor, okay, so you can which file you want to download. You can see the NDVI 2020 March. Also, you can see Landsat image 2020 March.
Yeah, here, right?
Yeah, here. So in this time you have to download this and check the data again.
قل هو تبي تجيه بمعالجة الانتباه هو يبيها رو ما يبي الانتباه.
We want it without the NDVI. We want it as a raw.
Okay, so you can simply download this from here. Click to the run button and download that. I think you already download that. You can see the below the code. You can already download. Just simply open this file. Okay, I think it's totally
okay.
raster file.
Yeah, I downloaded this. I will show you.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it will be raster, not shape file. Okay, so it will be raster.
Yeah, it will be raster, huh?
Yeah.
إيه قلت لها معالجة الانتباه ما راح أحتاج معالجة الانتباه.
Yeah, but you're sure it will come as raw image?
Yeah, you can also download also raw image. So in this time I did not find out the raw image in your in Google in your local storage. Okay. So it's really not showing that. Okay, so you can see this is the one type of image in here, the NDVI for the March year up to the. This is the one kind of TIP image or raster image. Okay.
You see only this one, Mafi. There is another raw image without NDVI.
Okay, so without NDVI, you have also need to download that and also import this file in Google Earth Engine platform. Okay, in this time it's the NDVI. Okay, it's the NDVI. Okay, it's the NDVI. Okay, so in this
we want the same but raw picture.
Raw picture you need to download. Okay, so first of all download the raw picture and then import in here.
Yeah. Okay, wait.
Yeah.
We will download it from here.
Yeah.
Landsat.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, this one. Yeah.
طب نزلت انت؟
نزلتها هذه اللي مكتوب عليها لاندرز، اعتمد تطلع لي بوليجون.
Okay, so
Polygon.
واللي فوقها تطلع
Okay. This comes as a polygon, not raw image.
not polygon, it's a raw image, definitely raw image. Okay, you can simply open this image, you can just simply open this image from your local storage. Okay, it's another layer. Okay, it's not the raster image, it's the another boundary area. Okay, so I want to that you which file you want to download from the Google Earth Engine platform, you need to import in here. Okay, suppose it's same folder, you can see the Landsat image 2020
Where?
March. This file you want to download and also open in ArcMap.
طيب we will يقول لازم تسوي لها داونلود الحين.
سويت لها داونلود.
هي نفسها هذه.
Click on here, click on here, click on here and go to the open in drive. You can see the open in drive.
اي هذه الدرايف.
Below that you can get the open in drive. Okay, so okay, you can also get from here and also download that.
هذه الايمج اللي يقول لك
هذه NDVI.
It's only NDVI file showing that. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think you also need to click to the run again. Okay, or you can see the open in drive, it also showing the open in drive. You can see the below the yeah, click on here, yeah, then run. Yeah, it will be stored, the folder name is the satellite imagery, this folder name is that satellite imagery. Okay, you can simply go to in your Google Drive satellite imagery folder, then you can get that. You can go to the satellite imagery folder in your Google Drive.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, that this folder, open that and download this image. Yeah, and download and open in ArcMap software.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically this is our raw image for the Landsat.
Just wait, please.
كيف تقدر تنزل بصيغة ثانية غير التف؟
Can we download it another format like another TIFF?
So basically in this time Google Earth Engine platform we can download the only for the TIFF format. Actually TIFF is a one kind of raster format. Okay,
We can change the format later
okay, there is no
for
problem.
doing the NDVI on this.
Yeah, then you can change that, then no problem, you can click to the yes. Yeah, so now it loaded the Landsat image for your region. Okay, then you can also make the further calculation of the NDVI using this raw image.
Clear. تقدر عادي تغيرها وتقدر
Okay, in this time you can get the band 5, band 4 and band 3.
Yes.
Okay, band 4, band 4 and 3, and now you can also make the raster calculation and calculate the NDVI, this type of analysis you can also do using the Google Earth Engine ArcMap software also.
طيب وضحت الصورة الحين.
Yeah, it's clear now.
المشكلة الثانية.
There is another problem.
Yeah.
إنه ما فيها تايب اللي يقدر أنتقل بين السنوات.
Okay, so in this time, in this time you can see this it's not added that. So in this time you also put your boundary shape file. Okay, for this whole country boundary of Saudi Arabia, you can simply put this country boundary first from your asset. Go to the asset tab. Click the asset tab. You can see the script doc and asset. Yeah, click on here asset. Okay, and then import your boundary shape file for the whole Saudi Arabia. Okay, so
this one.
Okay, so it's not available. I think you did not upload the whole country boundary shape file. Okay, just a minute. I simply give you the access. Basically this you can see it's showing my name ge.mijan. You can see it's showing my name. Okay, so that's why it's a problem when you want to show this code for other person, then this person also easily understand that you can also do for that other person. Okay, so other person write the code, so that's why it's showing my name. You can see ge.mijan. Okay, so that's why when you want to remove this my name from here, then you have to import your boundary shape file in your own asset. After that you can import your own asset and then it's showing your own asset ID name. Okay,
No
so
problem.
in this time
So,
it's
from where I can just import that one?
so So you can simply import any shape file. There is no problem. Suppose you can simply import that. Click on here,
بس أنزل
this shape file.
أرسلها. وين أرسلها؟
Will you send it where? In Drive?
Okay, so what you want to in Drive?
لا أقل واتس إذا تقدر.
What?
نزل صورتك لا تنساها. صورتك. اضغط كليك يمين. ما صورت. نسخت بعدها. كليك يمين. كليك يمين هنا. نيو. توبولوجي. مربع هذا ليه تكبره؟ بس. أرسل ولا ينتظر معه. أنت شوفه.
Did you send the file or not yet?
Okay, so this your country boundary shape file, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, just a minute. I
You sent
simply
it in WhatsApp?
okay. So in this time, okay, we can also do for that. Okay, so you can also get the country boundary shape file from different sources. There is no problem. Suppose in this time you can simply go to this code. Okay, so I write the code for you. You can simply copy that and try to do that. Just a minute.
Okay.
Just a minute. So okay.
بعطيك كود الحين.
Okay, so I simply share my screen. You can also check my screen. Then also, yeah, here we can easily get this country boundary shape file of the Saudi Arabia for the whole country boundary.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, so now it's visible, my screen.
شوفه. شوف شاشته.
شوف.
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Okay. Yes.
So I simply search here dataset US dataset, and simply import that, and then suppose take a variable name such as E1 to okay, and then take a variable name suppose ROI, okay, and then call the table and filter that. I want to filter Earth Engine. Filter dot equal what's equal what, put at the country name and put the country name suppose Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
Okay, now I display the result. So put at the map dot add layer is ROI, and also use at the map dot center object of ROI and call this 10 and click to the run. So now we can get this so there will be a country boundary, full country boundary you can got in here. So just you can use this code. Okay, you can simply go to your code, share your screen again, and then simply paste this code. Okay, so I send you in Google Meet. Just simply copy and paste.
Okay.
And also yeah.
أنا وين نبدأ؟
سوي سكرين.
مسوى أتوقع.
Okay, so you simply share your screen and then try to do that. I'll take that. Yeah.
Are you seeing my screen now?
Yeah, so now it's visual. Yeah.
So where can I put it there?
So you can simply first of all you can see ROI. Okay, so this ROI can simply remove. So delete sign, you can click to the delete this ROI from
Okay.
here. Yeah, delete that, and then simply paste here the from the first place. You can simply paste that.
Also,
Paste here. Okay, paste here. Just paste. And also, okay, it's showing the wrong in here where I can see. Okay, why it map.data? I think something you can also mistake in here. What's the wrong in here? Map.center object. I think something semicolon or other thing you can miss in here or not. You can check it. And your skin showing very small.
طبعا كبر.
Okay, map.center object. Okay, so you can see var mode is after the map.center object, then you can make the space. After map.center object, you can see var mode is NDVI data. You can simply, this code will be second line. Okay, so the fourth line. Okay, you can simply go to the fourth line, var mode is. You can simply make a space in here, var mode is. Map.center object, this function will be take the one line. Okay, and var mode is take the another line.
This one.
Yeah. So var mode is, you can simply space in here, not work that. Okay, so okay, so you can simply click to the get link button. Click to the get link button. You can see the get link button. Click and copy and send me. And then it also better. Yeah. Copy that. Yeah.
I cannot copy it.
Okay. Yeah. Then copy this. Yeah. Simply copy and send me.
خلاص.
شو يسوي بيعدله؟
شكله.
Okay. I share my screen.
شوف شاشة.
Okay. You can now. Can you see my screen? Yeah. You can make the mistake in here. You can see this is the second line. Okay, second line. Okay, so now it's okay. You can see, and I also put here the dataset US dataset. So I simply import that. So now this code will be work. You can see in this time we can easily work with that. So simply click the run. We can get the map look this. So I shall send you this get link button again. So now you can check it on your own system.
Okay.
So now check.
We will do run now, right?
Yeah, so now it will be okay. There is no problem. And in this time, it's also not showing my name. You can see, first of all, it's showing my name, ge.mijan, but in this time, there is the no name. So that's why anyone can easily get understand about that. You can also do this map. Okay, so even
سنوات ينتقل بينها.
How can I go now with the years that I want? From where?
okay, so click on this map, any portion, click on this map for any region, click, yeah. So now it generating this chart, you can see. Click on the chart again. The arrow sign, you can see arrow sign. Make the chart big. Okay, so I can see this chart in here. You can see. Yeah, click on here. Yeah. So basically, in this time, we are creating the monthly chart for the year of 2005, 2010, 2015, and 2020. Okay, this chart represented the monthly NDVI for all of those year which we put in here. Okay, and when you want to download the CSV, just click to the CSV, then it will get the data set is CSV. Okay,
لحظة.
so all of those year which you want to need, we can simply mention the year in here in this code. Okay, so for that,
باقي
for the any
Okay.
region, when you click on here, we can get this result. Download the CSV
what
file.
about-
Yeah,
What about the 2000?
click on here, click 2000, you can see. Okay, 2000. Okay, 2005, 2010, and 2015, 2020.
Mm.
Okay, for the 2000, I think Modi's data is not available for the 2000. I think about that, so that's why we are using from the 2005.
المودس ما نحتاجه بس نبي NDVI.
We don't need Moody's. We need only the NDVI.
Yeah, and also you can see that
Can we-
2000 showing this one line, 2005 showing the one line. Okay, so you can see 2000, this is the line color is the green. 2015, this line color is the yellow. 2010
Yeah, clear,
is the
clear.
red. Yeah.
Yeah. But we need the 2000.
Okay, so basically in this time 2000 we did not include in here because 2000 full data is not available from the for the modis. You can check that. I also check this last time period about that test. So modis, this data set is available from 2002 July, 4th July. Okay,
Mm.
2002 4th July we can get from the data set between this time. Okay, between this time we can get this. So that's why we are starting from 2005. And if you want to, you can also get the 2003. There is no problem. Suppose you want to observe the 2003, then we can also get the 2003. Add that easily because we can easily get the data for the 2003. Okay. But in this data set, we can get at least 2003.
2003.
Yeah, at least this is the last part from here.
لازم يكون المطلق. خلي يجيبها. لازم يكون المطلق. يقولون عندي مشكلة.
طيب انت الحين خلاص واضح عليك؟
خلوا قل بتواصل مع teacher حقي.
I contact my prof and let you know, huh, for the data.
I don't understand.
Yeah, I will contact my professor to discuss with him about the 2000 not available data for.
Yeah, so you can also say that your professor is that the modis is not available for the 2000. We can get them from the modis 2030 at least. 2000, 2003.
2003, right?
Yeah, 2003. Yeah,
July.
yeah 2003.
لانسات موجودة.
Even in Landsat?
Lancet we can also get that, but this result will not get the better as a big region. Okay, so in this time when you want to work with the Lancet for the whole Saudi Arabia, then we can get the some error message, or we can get the some image is not overlaying each other, and we did not get the very clear map. In this time we are using it the modis, so that's why we can get this map very good and clearly we can easily identify what is the vegetation more or less. But when you want to work with the Lancet, then we can also get the lot of problem, and this result we did not get the easily for that.
وما تكون واضحة المملكة كاملة، يصير فيها مشاكل حتى وقت نشتغل عليها.
So this is the another problem for that in Google Earth Engine platform. So that's why we are for the big region, we can easily do that for the modis.
عشان منطقة كبيرة، منطقة المملكة العربية السعودية كاملة.
هو مسوي التحليل على مودس ولا لانسات؟
You did the analysis on Moody's or not Landsat?
So in this time we are using here the modis satellite imagery for creation this map.
احنا متفقين لانسات.
Okay, Lancet image. Yeah, so Lancet image. Yeah.
Before we agree that we will work on Landsat image.
Yeah, Lancet image is also, we can agree about that, but this tax is very complexity. Okay, very complex complex tax. Okay, because this image has the some problem for this the big region.
عشان منطقة كبيرة، منطقة دراسة.
Okay.
حلو. يقول يطلع فيها مشاكل اللانسات.
ما استفدنا شيء من جوجل ايرث انجن، والفائدة انه بيانات كبيرة يحللها. كذا بحثي كله صار غلط. وليه ما تكلم؟ أو كان اللي يتكلم إنه يدمج لانسات مع مودس. دخلني في ستار الحين.
طيب وش تبي نقول؟
كل اللي قلت لك.
We agreed that before you will integrate Moody's with Landsat image, and we will work in our project like this, right?
Yeah.
So now I have problem, يعني really with the data. So I needed to start from 2000. And you can work in 2000 image from Landsat.
Yeah, so
To
it
add it
also
here.
okay. So for the Lancet, it also some difficulties for the big region, but we are
No
also
problem,
trying to that for the suppose Lancet image. I also check this. Just a minute. Okay, I also share my screen and try to check this about the data about the 2000. Okay, just a minute. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, just a minute. We can check the Lancet about that. Lancet NDVI. Okay. For the Lancet 8, Lancet 7, Lancet 9, Lancet 5. Okay, so
أيوة حتى
it's available for the 2013 to 2022. Okay, this is the Lancet 8.
try Landsat 7 maybe.
And also I try to check the Lancet 7 about that duration. Lancet 7, it's annual dataset. Lancet for the Lancet 7. Okay, we can check it. Okay, so we can get the dataset from 1990 to 2021. Okay, and we can get the annual dataset. Okay. Okay, so we try to find out that Lancet 7, suppose 16 day or 8 day, then we can easily create the monthly dataset also. Just a minute. We need the Lancet 7. Lancet 7 and email.
قال إن في مشكلة، كلمت المطلق قال ما في مشكلة إنك تستخدم مودز لانسات.
ما بعد.
هذا يكشف مودز.
لا عليك الحين طلع
خليه يسوي الكود كامل الشهري والسنوي العوام الدراسة ويرسل لنا الكود.
Okay, so Lancet 7 8-day composite also available. Okay, so just a minute. I try to check the code for your region and try to get the information. Just a minute. And it also available from the 1990. Okay, so that's why I can easily get from the 2000. We can also get from that. Okay, so in this time,
Perfect.
there is not much change in here. All of the things will be same. Just I simply copy the code again. Just change the image collection.
Okay.
Okay, but it's very difficult when you want to monitor the LST using the Lancet image, because then we have also need to more correction. Okay, so for that but Lancet, when you want to make the Lancet based temperature using the Moody's satellite imagery, then it will be very easy. But it also
Yeah, I know it will be very, but we agreed with
لا قل له الاس حذفناه من البحث بس نبي نشتغل NDVI درجة.
Yeah, we remove the ST from our LST from our research, and we are working on NDVI.
Okay, then it's also very good. Okay, we can easily do that.
I need the information for from 2000.
Yeah, just a minute. I simply do that now.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so I simply copy this Lancet 8-day NDVI composite.
Yeah, just take your time and do it.
Okay, no problem. Just a minute. Within 5 minutes we can complete this part. Just a minute.
Yeah, okay.
So 8-day composite we use and put here the from 2000 1st January from suppose 2020 and select the NDVI event. Okay, so now all of the things will be same, and in this time we are not using this part. And then more mean NDVI, we can calculate the mean NDVI from here. Simply copy and paste here. Okay, after that I simply calculate the mean and click with that. All of those will be same mean NDVI, and also put here the also another layer is that 2000. Okay,
Mm.
2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020. Okay, then make the monthly collection. All of them will be same. Also, all of the thing. Now check the result. Okay, in this time we need to use here the Yearly NDVI. In this time we need to use here this Morris. Okay, so not problem, but the variable can be anything. There is no problem. In this time we
Mhm.
simply copy that, but we are using here the agency Lancet. Okay, simply
Mhm.
copy
Perfect.
and then simply paste here. Okay, now click to the run again, and for the lens, okay, so check again first. Okay, so now how it will work. Okay, so it also possible Lancet. Okay, then we can get the result from the 2000, 2005, 2010 and 2020.
Okay. Now we get the 2000, right?
Yeah, so I check this result first. Just a minute, it loaded. Okay, we can get,
Mhm.
we can also get the beautiful map. There is no problem, and there is a no error or overlaying. So now click on here and check this about this for this specific coordinate. What is the condition of this total 5, 2000, 2005, 2010 and 2015, 2020 for that
Mm.
NDVI, monthly NDVI. Okay, great. You can see it will be 2000 is also available. So basically in this time you can see we can get this result for 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015 and 2020. Okay.
Can you share me the code, please?
Yeah.
Could you share the code with us, please?
Okay, I shared the code with you.
Mm.
Okay. So get link
Just,
button again
yes.
and then send you that. Okay, so now I can easily work with that. Okay, just a minute. We also need to change the another thing is that just a minute. In this time we also need to change the resolution. Just a minute. I forget that. So in this time this resolution will be 30 meter for Lancet. 30 meter. Okay, as well as we also need to change there for the 30 meter resolution. Okay, so now it's okay. There is no problem. We can say put the 30 meter resolution. So now we can get the result as a 30 meter. Now we check again. Okay. Suppose we try to find out for the any cropland in what is the NDVI for the different time period. Okay. In this time we can also get the another problem. There is a no. You can see in this time it's showing the max pixel value allows only for the this value, but it will be increasing because for the big region we can get the lot of many pixel value in this region because our area is the big. So that's why in this time we try to also increase suppose 100 because in this time it not loaded. When it will be across the limit it not loaded. So that's why we need to increasing the pixel area. Okay, it's also not okay. So I put here the suppose 500 and check again. Minimum we can set which will be one, then we will be set that. But it's not a problem because in this time our area is the big. So that's why we also need to increasing our pixel size. So now
it will affect the accuracy of the data.
It's not affect that about the accuracy data because we can get only for that a specific point. Okay, just we can take the single point pixel value. What is the condition of the NDVI? But it not loaded because it lot of pixel value. So that's why this map is not loaded. Okay, so now I can check. Now I hope it will be work. Okay, it's work. You can see we can get the 2005 all of them we can get in from here. Okay, I can send you the final code for the NDVI for monitoring the. If you want, you can also change the title. Did you need for change the title? Just a minute. In this time it's only for showing the NDVI time series chart. Okay, for that I can simply search, simply remove that. It's not need. It's the NDVI time series chart. Okay, if you want, you can also add any other information about the chart title. There is no problem.
Is the chart is possible to have the huh?
Yeah, what's
متوسط mean the average data per year. We can get it.
year and month.
average?
Average per year
Year and month.
and month. The possible to be shown in the chart.
In this time, the chart is showing the monthly average.
The monthly average.
Monthly average means that you can see for the January, suppose 2000, what is the average NDVI in the May? What is the average NDVI in, suppose, April? What is the average NDVI in the March? It's just showing the monthly average NDVI.
But what about the every year?
And month.
Okay, so every year, yeah. For the every year, okay, so
Yearly, monthly ما بعرف.
لا لحالهم شرطين يقدر يسوي.
Is it possible to charts monthly and yearly?
month, it's showing the monthly. In this time, you want to need only for the yearly. Suppose 2000, what is the yearly NDVI? For 2005, what
Yes.
is the yearly NDVI?
Yes.
Okay, so for that we need to check about the data for the Landsat 7 yearly annual data set we need to use. Okay, so first time it also available. Just a minute. Landsat 7 year annual data set. Landsat, you can see annual data set. Okay, so Landsat 7 annual data set. Okay, so in this time we are using this data set and try to make that chart. Okay, so for that, okay, we already and okay, so I already send you this code. Just a minute. So this is that this it's showing only for the monthly average data. In this time we create the another code for the annually. Just a minute. I simply send you that again.
الأول كان شهري. الحين هذا السنوي.
لا هذا الشهري.
هذا الشهري آخر واحد.
So for that we are also trying to set that yearly data set. Okay, so for the yearly,
هذا الشهري.
okay, so in this time I can simply copy this image information from here and then simply click on here, paste here, paste here. So it's the annual NDVI you can get, and we need the dataset for this time period, between this time period. Okay, and select the NDVI. Okay, then same. Then you also need to change here. Okay, so in this time, it's not need, and it also not need, and this conversion is also not need because our dataset is the annual dataset. By commenting all of the things. Okay, then in this time we can simply change here UI chart image dot groups. I simply change that. So I simply okay, so okay. Okay, so in this time we need to change here. Suppose I put here. I write this UI dot chart dot image dot series. Okay? And then simply put here the image collection, put here the curly bracket start and curly bracket in. First of all, image collection is that my image collection.
قصدك على نفس الآرك تصير القناة مثل نفس الشغل.
Simply copy that.
الحين الشرط كله ضغط هنا يمين. أي
and paste here. Region is that RY and then reducer I want to calculate the average, yearly average, that the EE dot reducer dot mean. Then scale is the resolution 30 meter X property shared same time start. So now I want to use this. Okay, so now click to the run. We can check what happened. And now I want to get the from 21 years average data. So click on here. Oh my god, too many pixel value we can got in here. Okay, so okay, so we can get increase the scale value. So for that, suppose I want to I use here. Okay, where is it? Okay, I use it suppose 500 meter because our area is the big. So now click to the again.
الحين هذه سنة
So it working.
لا هاي ما ذكرها كلها. طيب مثلا أنا بسطت لك خريطة لحالها حقت 2000 و 2005 عشان استعرضها بالبحث. والله يهدي لو يسكت ويفهم مني لو راح يشتغل لحاله. أشغل من الحين.
خلص ما عندك شيء.
تدخل عليه بالسالفة هذه.
طلع له خلص هو. أنا واجهت مشكلة النت عنده.
لا يقطع الميتنج.
لا هو بيطلع لك الصورة. يقول يطلع صور 2000 و 2005.
لا قل بس أقول عشان تسطر على 2000 عشان قلت في البيت. كم الساعة الحين؟ الساعة 9 كله بشتغل عليها بكرة.
رحمن.
Yeah.
Can I produce images for 2000 and 2005 and 2010 in separate, so I can just visualize it in my research year by year?
Okay, so in this time you can also do that. There is no problem. So suppose this code you can simply remove the 1 year. Suppose you can see this is our code. You need only for the 2005. Okay, just simply remove all of the other year. You need only for the 2010. Then simply remove all of the other year. Then it will be work
Okay.
for the visualization when you need to show only for the one by one. Suppose I need this result, simply you can simply remove that. All of the year simply remove and then click to the run. And then simply click on your map. Then we can get the result only for the 2005. You can see. Click on here. We can get only for the 2005. Okay, you can see it represent only for the 2005. Okay. Suppose 2010, then simply put this time. We can get that. There is no problem.
هذا الشهر والسنة اللي راح شغال عليه خلاص تقول له ما اشتغل عليه بكرة أنت ميتنج بنفس الوقت.
I think the lot of image in here. That's why it takes some time to load it.
وين الكود اللي نحذفه؟ وين الكود اللي نحذفه؟ هذا صح؟ صح؟
إيه.
But it's already 12 a.m. Okay, so now I can see it will be afraid. Okay, I can see. We can get this yearly, but it's showing all of the year from It's showing that 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and up to 2022, 20. Okay, so it's showing all of the year. But I want to show the result for only for 2000, 2005, 2010, and 2020. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So for that,
2005, 2000, 2005, 2010, 2015, 2020.
okay.
Five.
So for that, what can we do for this selective year we want to need? Okay. So selective year we can use.
أنا كنت حاطط هنا.
So for that we need to list of the 2000, 2005, 2000, 2020. And then in here I want to this list I want to add here, so yearly. Okay, so by when I this only for this code we can use for the monthly. When I want to need this there monthly, but I want to make this for this yearly. Okay, so for that yearly what is selective yearly. So we try to use a function, I think calendar so calendar range. Okay, so calendar return the filter the phase of the object time place for the range of the calendar field, the month, day of year, day of month, and day of the week one are based. Times are assumed by in UTC week or assumed being the Monday or the one tip. So only for the selective year I want to need. So
طيب يا رحمن, we
Yeah.
have lecture after 5 minutes now.
okay. So okay.
Can you do it and send?
Okay, so I will try to
code?
find out the solution and also send you the code. Then you can easily get this from the yearly NDVI. Okay, yearly average NDVI.
خلاص بيو.
Okay. So you can
Perfect.
also okay. So I'll
Thank you.
send you. Okay, thank you for joining up. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Allah Hafiz.
Have a good day.
Okay, bye.